Okay, so good evening class, and today we are going to start with your second semester syllabus, and I am going to take the subject corporate law. Okay, now here I will be taking the chapter corporate meetings. I will be taking the chapter. What is the chapter name? The chapter's name is corporate meetings. Okay, I will be taking this chapter. So today being the first class, we will discuss the basic things. What is corporate law? The subject is what? It is corporate law. It's corporate law. Now if you ask, ma'am, what are the suggestion for books? It's corporate law, or basically it's written what? Company law. Company law. We can say it a corporate law. Okay. So for company law, what are the books that you can buy? My suggestion will be there is a book of wait, let me just show you the book once. Okay. See the book. It's by Udayan Ray Chaudhary, Supriya Bhattacharjee and Sharada Prasad Datta. Okay. It's better if you buy this book. Okay. This book is a very good book. You can buy this book. Elegant publication. Okay. You can go for this book. Obviously, just check this that the amendments of 2019 are included. It must include the amendment of 2019, or just don't take an old version of this book. This is the newer version. Take this one. Okay. So go for this book. So what is the paper? What is the subject name? It's company law. It's paper CC 2.1 CHG. Okay, your second semester paper. Okay, so this is also an MCQ paper like business law, and we have to study. That's it. But this is very technical paper, and this is very interesting as well. It's not like company law. It's not like business law. Company law is very technical and it's very interesting as well. Okay, so let's see and let's start. So the chapter that I'm going to begin is corporate meetings today. Okay, so corporate meetings generally, corporate law. What is this company law? We have studied business law, and we have studied in business law what? All the things that we dealt in business law was what? With the society. All the societal rules, regulations, everything. And in company law, we will deal with the rules and regulations of a company. The laws that a company is required to follow, that a corporate house is required to follow. Clear? And this subject is very important subject for your future courses. If somebody is planning to do CA, CS, CMA, or students are doing CA, CS, CMA from now onwards, then they will understand the importance of this subject. This is a very important subject. In graduation, you will not be given that much of importance in this paper, but this paper is very important for your future course. If you are planning for further studies, this subject is very important. So I will try my level best to make you understand, and you try your level best to just attend my classes. That's it. Okay, in your examination, the questions will be easy, like you have seen in business law. It was damn easy questions. Okay, now those who have not studied at all and seeing the book also, they have written wrong answers. Nobody can help in that. But the paper was very easy, right? So this paper will be also of the same kind, MCQ based paper, and will be an easy paper. So let's just start with this chapter, corporate meetings. Okay. So আচ্ছা, বাংলাতেও কিন্তু বেঙ্গলি ভার্সনেও কিন্তু এই বইটা পাওয়া যাবে। সারদা প্রসাদ বেঙ্গলিটা এক্স্যাক্টলি আছে কিনা আমি জানি না। যদি বেঙ্গলিতে না পাওয়া যায়, ডিএল দত্তর বাংলা বই আছে, ঠিক আছে, ওটাও তোমরা নিতে পারো, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, সো meetings, company meetings, আমরা জানি company meetings held করে. Why we held meetings? Whether it's company or anything, why we held meetings? We held meetings to discuss about something, right? We held meetings for what? We held meetings for discussion, for discussing about something. So in company there are two types of meetings. What are these two types of meeting? One is the general meeting. One is the general meeting. Another is the board meeting. Okay, one is the general meeting, another is the board meeting. So general meeting is the meeting of the shareholders. These are the basic knowledge that I am giving now. So general meeting is the meeting of the shareholders, whereas board meeting is the meeting of the board of directors. তাহলে আমি কি বললাম, দু ধরনের মিটিং হয়, একটা জেনারেল মিটিং, একটা বোর্ড মিটিং। জেনারেল মিটিং কাদের মিটিং হয়? জেনারেল মিটিং, মিটিং অফ শেয়ার হোল্ডার্স। আর বোর্ড মিটিং কাদের হয়? বোর্ড অফ ডাইরেক্টর্স। Now we know who are the shareholders, the persons who are holding the shares of a company. They are actually the owners of the company. We term the shareholders as the owners of the company because they are investing in the company. They are investing in the shares of the company. Correct? And board of directors, we know the head, those who are managing, the managing body. Okay, so general meeting and the board meeting, two types of meeting. Now this general meeting is again divided into three types of meeting, into three types. What is this? Number one is annual general meeting. In short, we will call this as AGM. Next is extraordinary general meeting, and we call this as EGM. Correct? And the last one is class meeting. Last one is what? It's class meeting. We can call this as CM. Okay, CM, not Chief Minister, but it's class meeting. Okay, so annual general meeting, extraordinary general meeting, and class meeting. Okay, so what is this annual general meeting? What is this extraordinary general meeting? And what is this class meeting? We will discuss about all this later on. Just now know the segregation division. Fine. Okay. Next that we need to know is that whenever a meeting takes place, we discuss and we take a decision, right? Whether it's family meetings or anything, why we meet, why people meet, why people generally calls a meeting to come out with some decision, with certain decision, and how those decisions happen. When people agree to the point, then only it will possible. When people give, means when people agree, then only we can take the decision. Suppose 4 people have conducted a meeting to discuss about something. Now when the 4 people will agree upon the matter, then only we can reach to a decision, right? And here also, in company also, meetings takes place to take decision by passing resolutions. What? To take decisions by passing resolutions. Okay, to take decisions by passing what? By passing resolutions. So what are this resolution? Resolution means, what are this resolution means? How many people are giving consent for the matter? কতজন মানুষ হ্যাঁ বলছে? আমি মিটিং কেন কন্ডাক্ট করি? মিটিং কন্ডাক্ট করি যাতে মিটিংয়ে কোনো ডিসিশন নেওয়া যায়। ডিসিশন তখনই পসিবল যখন আমার মিটিংয়ে যারা প্রেজেন্ট আছে তারা সেই ম্যাটারটার ওপরে রাজি হবে, হ্যাঁ কি না? এই যে রাজি হওয়া, যেই রাজি হবে তখনই আমার ডিসিশনটা পাস হবে। এই রাজি যে করছি, এই যে হ্যাঁটা বলছি, দিস ইজ দ্য রেজলিউশন। হোয়াট উই কল ইট? রেজলিউশন। Decisions are taken by passing what? Resolutions. All these are very new terms. Resolutions. Now there are 2 types of resolutions. What? There are 2 types of resolutions. Number 1 is ordinary resolution. and the next one is special resolution. Correct? One is ordinary and one is special resolution. Okay. So what is ordinary resolution? Okay. In short, we will call this OR and this will be called as SR. Remember all this. EGM means annual general meeting. EGM means extraordinary general meeting. And CM means class meeting. OR means ordinary resolution. SR means special resolution. GM means general meeting. BM means board meeting. Okay. So what is ordinary resolution? The ordinary resolution ta ki hoy? When votes in favor is more than vote against. What we are saying or what we are telling, when votes in favor is more than vote against. Suppose there are 10 people in a meeting. There are 10 people in a meeting. 5 have voted in favor and 6 have voted in favor and 4 have voted against. So this is ordinary resolution when the votes in favor will be more than vote against. Whether it is by 1 vote, whether it is by 2 vote, anything. Just a simple majority is required. What? We require a simple majority. Means if there is a single vote also more in favor, then the resolution will be passed. কি বলছি? একটা ডিসিশনে আমি আসতে চাইছি, মিটিংটা কন্ডাক্ট করেছি, 10 জন মেম্বার আছে, 10 জন মেম্বার বসে মিটিংটা করছে, সেখানে 6 জন ভোটস ইন ফেভার দিল, মানে ফেভারে হ্যাঁ বললো, ডিসিশনের ফেভারে হ্যাঁ বললো, আর 4 জন ডিসিশনের अगेंस्টে গেল। এটাই হয়ে যাচ্ছে কি আমার রেজলিউশন পাস হয়ে গেল। কি ধরনের রেজলিউশন পাস হলো? অর্ডিনারি রেজলিউশন পাস হলো। when votes in favor is more than vote against. Okay, this could be what? This could be like this also, that there are 9 people in a meeting, 5 have voted in favor and 4 have voted against. Against এ 4 জন ভোট করেছে and ফেভারে 5 জন করেছে। তাহলে obviously favor is more than against by 1. Favor is more than against by 1. By 1 হলেও কি হচ্ছে? ordinary resolution পাস হয়ে যাচ্ছে। Then what is special resolution? The name itself says that it is special, and then we can give a guess then that this kind of resolution will be required in special cases only. This ordinary will be required for ordinary meetings and this will be required for some special meeting that we can guess by the name itself. Correct? So what is special resolution? What is special resolution? So we will continue this in the next video, okay?